Meaning of dinner service.
Dinner service.
Dinner service.
Dinner service.
Dinner service. Dinner service refers to a set of dishes and utensils used for serving meals during formal or special occasions, such as dinner parties or holiday gatherings. A complete dinner service typically includes plates, bowls, cups, saucers, serving platters, and various utensils such as forks, knives, and spoons. The dinner service is arranged in a specific manner, with each dish placed in a particular location according to formal dining etiquette. The dishes and utensils are designed to be both functional and aesthetically pleasing, often featuring intricate designs and patterns.